my god, yo, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Hey, it's me. Remember this epic 200 pepper papaya salad and how it burned going in and out of my body? Well, I learned my lesson on eating very spicy foods, kind of, but let's see what other papaya salad trouble I can get into next. So I'm out here in the desert and I'm starving, craving Lao food, especially fish sauce, badak, and a lot of bird eye chili peppers. And I don't think they grow them out here anywhere, at least that I see. The sun is scorching hot, but I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to make thum papaya salad wherever I go. I do not have a mortar and pestle with me because those things are heavy and I just didn't have room to bring it, but I still want to be able to make it anywhere. So for Joshua Tree / Pioneer Town, we're gonna go, hopefully I can find somewhere we can sit and actually start making thum, and I'll show you what else I have. All right, so let's go. Hi everyone. So I put you all on this little tripod that is more easily for me to take you around. So we're gonna go around Joshua Tree and find a good representative location that kind of says Joshua Tree, but also says I can make thum. Okay, so let's see what we can find. I'm gonna look for a spot that I can squat first. There's a lot of big rocks out here, like here. I think we can work with it. Maybe even find some shade. Oh my god, this is like the Blair Witch Project, y'all. So there's these huge boulders and rocks here. I don't think it'd be smart if I made thum on there. How about right here? Right here? Think this is the spot, y'all. So the challenge includes very limited items on what I could bring and take with me because I'm not going to be walking everywhere with the coconut sock. Okay, so I have this small cutting board, and there are like rocks and dirt here. Let's just put this on, and then I need a knife to cut, and then a bag of thum ingredients. Let me show you what I have. Okay, so this obviously is something special. I had to put the extra funky stuff in a bag, and it's this. This is badak and tamarind sauce and also a little bit of fish sauce. So that was my one trick. All the really liquidy things, put it into one bottle and you just have to worry about that one bottle spilling. So luckily I actually did not spill any, so we're gonna use this. So I have one lime, one Roma tomato. I usually use cherry tomatoes, but I didn't want to bring a lot of cherries and have to worry about them being squished, so the trick is Roma. A head of garlic, some peppers. Oh my god, my cute MSG bottle. Y'all, thum is not thum without the MSG bottle. Look at that, cute. This is sugar. And then in this foil, I have shrimp paste and crab paste. Ooh, it smells. Then obviously we needed a papaya. Oh my god. Needed a papaya. So let's see if I can do this. So we already ran into one thing. The wind, it's somewhat windy here, so this shrimp paste just blew into the wind. Actually, let's get the skin off of the papaya. Oh my god, it's not sharp. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna tan, it's so hot. I think I'm gonna look darker by the end of this video, which is fine with me. Not having a peeler, yeah, it's a little extra work, but this knife is working, it's fine. It's beautiful. I think not having a peel, now I know I can do this without having a peeler, just a little bit more rough edges. Okay, let's get to the fun part. The fking. Okay, So I have the bowl. This definitely does not feel like Laos. Oh, oh, my shrimp paste. Okay, so let us put this away. Look, I made a good amount. Look at that. That is some greatly shredded papaya. So here's my strategy. So we're actually gonna be thumbing in the bag. The bag's pretty clean. First is grabbing garlic. Oh! Okay, so we just have one, and we're just gonna smash and just mince it. So here is the garlic and paste. I'm gonna mush it with the garlic. Use your hands. Now I have the peppers, 3 dried peppers. So let's get these minced. Peppers are good. Let's put it in the bag. The badak. Open it up. Ooh, smells good. Here's the badak. There we go. So you want to make sure the crab paste and all that is mixed well. Oh, got badak on my fingers. Almost there, yeah. So cut the tomato. Tomatoes are in. Squish the juices out. My God, y'all, I feel sunburn on my back. Here's the sugar. And then lastly, let's add a good chunk of lime. Cut through all those flavors. Oh. So I have this really cute MSG bottle. So obviously we need that in our thumb. So add that in there. It's all done. So this is my juice for thumb. I think it actually looks pretty good. Okay, so let's smell it. Okay, test is putting it in here. All right, so I think the trick is just to massage.
Just to massage the thumb. Look at this. Doesn't it look good? It looks good, y'all.
Y'all, I think we just figured out how to make thumb anywhere we go. Well, don't let me speak too soon. I still gotta try this. The time is to try it. Here we go. Oh my God. That's actually pretty good. Oh my God, that's good. That's good thumb, y'all. All right, y'all, so now we know that making tamagung anywhere you go, including the desert or here, works. So we definitely give this a try. I love making food in the desert. Who knows?
Hey, you! What are you doing on my property?
Oh my God, y'all, let's go! Let's go! Let's go!